Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Mei Cai Ya or braised duck with preserved vegetables. So let's start cooking. I'm sure that during Chinese festival like Chinese New Year, you have roasted duck, roast chicken, etc. A lot of food in the fridge. Now instead of just reheating them, let me introduce to you on how to cook a simple dish known as Mei Cai Ya using roasted duck like this. First, we need to chop the duck up. Today for this dish, I'll be using a Gourmet electric multi-cooker. Now this multi-cooker, you can use it as a rice cooker, you can stir fry in this, you can deep fry in this, you can pressure cook in this, cooking your porridge, your fish, your meat, your beans, your chicken, even cake and steam and also double boil. So now let's start to put this dish together. First we need to heat up the pot. Go to the menu, switch to open lid cooking, and after 5 seconds or so, it will turn itself on. So now we wait for this to heat up before we pour in the oil and fry the garlic as well as the ginger. Once the pot has heated up, add in some oil. Put in 1 thumb size of sliced ginger. Fry until fragrant. Now if you don't have a pressure cooker or multi-cooker like this, you can always use your normal wok or pan to cook this. Wow, I can start to smell the fragrance coming up from the ginger. Now we'll add in chopped garlic, about 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Fry until fragrant. Smells really good. Once you can start to smell them, we'll start to put in the preserved vegetable. This is 200 grams of the salted Mei Cai or salted preserved vegetable. I've cut them into small pieces like this and I've soaked them for approximately 3 hours too. I'm also adding in 200 grams of the sweet preserved vegetable or the Tian Mei Cai. Also 200 grams of this, soaked for 3 hours too. Make sure you wash them properly. Now washing them is pretty easy. Just open up the lid, wash it through running water and then soak them. Cut into small pieces and just soak them up. You just need to stir fry them for approximately 5 to 8 minutes just to intensify the flavor. Why am I using both the salted and the sweet type of the preserved vegetables? Is because I want to have a very nice sweet and savory taste in this dish. Having this multi-cooker is very useful for you in the kitchen. Basically because you can almost do everything with this. You can cook, you can stew, you can fry, you can deep fry, or you can pressure cook, make porridge, almost everything. And it has this keep warm function which is very useful too. Wow, smells really good. Oh, really good. If you are frying this on an open stove, you can turn it to medium heat to fry this. Now we're adding 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Wow, fantastic smell. Now once you have mixed this up nicely, we'll add in the roasted duck. Just spread them evenly in the pot and we'll add in the roasted duck now. I'll be adding in the whole duck. Place them evenly in the pot. And what we need to do now is just add water. Enough water to cover the duck. So now we place the lid back on and we'll start to pressure cook this. I need to stop this first, okay. Turn off the power and on it back again so we can reset the programming. Switch the menu to meat, which is this, okay, and the flavor to normal. This will take approximately half an hour. Now if you are using a normal pot to cook this, you might need to cook this for 1 hour or stew this for 1 hour using the same amount of water. But do check at every 20 minutes or so if the water is enough. If it's not enough, always add in a little bit more water. Do not burn your dish, otherwise the whole dish will go to waste. So for this pot, this will take approximately around 30 minutes or so. So I'll see you back in a while. So 30 minutes is up and the steam has all been let out. So now I will just open this up. Now I just remove some of this sauce And we'll thicken this sauce up to be poured onto this dish. As you can see, there's some oil over here. So if you don't want it too oily, you can always just scoop away the oil. Like this. Pour away the oil. And then we'll get some of this gravy and thicken it up. I'm going to thicken up the gravy. I'm using 2 cups of the gravy from the duck. Half a teaspoon of sugar. I like my sauce to be a little on the dark side, so I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And when it's boiling, we'll add in corn flour solution to thicken it up. Stir as you pour it in to the consistency that you like. So when it starts to boil again, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of Hoa Tiao Jiu or Chinese cooking wine to enhance the flavor. Let it cook for another 10 seconds or so, just to evaporate the alcohol. So when this is done, we'll just pour the sauce over the duck. And now let's serve this. The duck is done, so let's have a taste. Look at how tender this is. I can just use a chopstick and just remove the flesh from the bones. Let me just have a taste. Very flavorful, very nice. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our braised duck with preserved vegetables. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Want to eat or not, Coco? Do you want this? No, cannot. Too salty for you. Later, okay?